the box. So this was meant to arrive on Friday, but it's arrived now and it's only Wednesday. So I've obviously removed the to and from. But if this is what I think it is, then this could be a new intro starting soon. I hope this is what I think it is, because if it's not, it's going to be golf stuff and it's for my dad. Okay, I didn't order that, but added bonus, I guess. Sound. Potential giveaway stuff, like I'll send a... I don't know. Anyway, this is what I ordered. You might be able to tell what it is already. Hit the camera. You can see my old one with my little logo figure. You can kind of see what it is. There you go. It's the new Figuarts Infinity War Iron Man. Okay, so the box out of the box. Really nice art on the front. Oh, this is so weird doing unboxing. Okay, so on the sides you've got just Avengers stuff. On the sides pretty much the same thing, it just wraps around. I'd read that out, but I don't speak Japanese. It's a Japanese import, so it's got Japanese writing on instead of English. The only English thing on the back is obviously the writing at the top and the simple style and heroic action, which I didn't know was a part on that. So anyway, these are the parts that it comes with, I think. Yeah, that's all of them. Okay. So obviously you've got the main figure here. Really nice, they've done light blue transparent plastic over a silver internal paint, although it's extremely hard to show that off. Can you... There you go. They've used that in the eyes and also in the chest. It's actually a really nice bit of detail, because on the last Figuarts Iron Man that I got, they just left it, you know, dark. Like, the eyes don't have any white to them at all, and the chest looks like something that's just been left off. I will refer closely to that for like reference on sizes and things. This is a really nicely done figure though. You can see I've taken the forearms off. They've given this one butterfly joints, which the last one did not have. So this one does have a nice butterfly joint there. And it's much more flexible than the last one was. Although, the figure aside, I'll come back to the back piece later. Comes with all of these hands here, which 4 pairs or 8 individual hands, depends on how you want to count them. Comes with the crab claw looking blaster from, I believe that's the scene where they're on Thanos' ship and the Guardians of the Galaxy meet them. I think he uses 2 of them, almost dropped that, in the opening scene with Ebony Maw as well. So aside from the hands and the add-on pieces here, you've got the forearms, you've got the other blaster here, which also really nicely detailed. Probably move my light back up now and hit the camera as well. I've hit this camera so many times. Autofocus. There you go. Really nice. If you're wondering, nothing pegs into that. I tried, the only thing that would peg in would be that, and it doesn't. It's just empty. I think that would have been quite a good feature to include. That's the only gripe I have with this one, is that they didn't make those two compatible. But then yeah, you can see all these attachments here for flight and blasting, and they are a much nicer colour to the original, which you can see was orange. I say the original, that's the Mark 45. Like I said, I will be comparing it back to that one. You can also see the blasts, they're the same mould, I believe. I think they are anyway. Yes, they are. Okay, so they're the same mould, just slightly lighter amount of white frosting on the blue, and obviously a different colour. And then you've got the, are they steadying repulsors? Yeah, they're flight stabilizers. Those are much nicer. There's more blue on these, which that could have been very bad. There's more like frosting on the blue ones, which I don't particularly like. I kind of prefer them if they had a little bit less, like the main thrusters. But it's still a really nice figure. So you'll notice this little piece here, which I almost just lost. That's what went flying off camera. This, oh, why is my, there we go. This here. That's for a Tomoshi, however you say it. I know it's Tomoshi, but some people say Tomoshi. That's one of those stands. I do have a stand, although it's from a different line of figures, and it was from a Hermione Granger figure, which I've been using for the Mark 45, and it's got a little hook that kind of just grabs them around the waist, and that's good enough for me at the moment. However, now that I've got a figure that does have a removable back piece, I will be trying to get a Tomoshi stand. This piece here comes straight out. And I like the fact that you've even done like a tiny little bit of detail in there. Like under where it comes out. And you simply put this piece in. And I think I've got that the right way. Yeah. So you plug it straight into there. You could plug it straight into the figure itself, although it's maybe not the best way of doing it. So yeah, that's how that plugs in. And I'll go on to the articulation. Actually, no, I'll do the paint apps first, because they are really well done on this. There's only a few issues on mine, and they're really not that noticeable. Okay, so the only issue I've found so far is a little bit of silver on the end of this toe. Is it on the end of that toe? Yeah. There. You can see it on the end of the right toe. And there's a little bit on this joint here. Oh. See that silver showing through there. Although I don't think that's actually visible when he's got the forearms on. No. That covers up. And does it cover up on the other one? That's a... yeah, it covers up anyway, so you don't see that. Overall though, really nicely done. You'll notice little holes in the back. Those feet are die cast, which means they're made out of metal. Now, for those of you that want to see the figure with the arms on, which is probably quite a few of you, because I think most people would, the forearms just click on, everything just clicks on really. The fist also just clicks on, you just click any of these hands on. And they sit really flush with the wrist. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, why do you remove the suppressors from your bikes? There. Like, they are really smoothly fitting. Really love this figure. So that's him with his ordinary arms on. And then with the blaster on, I'll put this one on. really high quality. I love the gold on this. Yep, you've still got the range of the range of motion that you have with the other forearm. Still got the butterfly joint, and it bends in just more than 90 degrees. This one isn't. Is this one a double joint? Yes, it is. Okay, it is double jointed, so it does go more than what I showed you there. I just need to wear in the joints of it. It straightens out a lot as well. So that's that one, and then this arm, you just pop that one off as well. And that locks on very nicely.